Even though it is minus 30 degrees Fahrenheit wind chill right now. This has not happened in a long time. It's frozen. I can't even get it up. It's not supposed to freeze. It has a heat source. Those animals still need to be taken care of, so let's get dressed for my outfit of the day. And I'm not feeling well today, and that doesn't matter because the animals still need food and water. So let's get her done. I'm gonna put this on so that my face doesn't freeze. And then I need my insulated overalls. But I had to bring the boots in from the garage so that they thawed out a little. It's so cold outside. I forgot gloves. I gotta go find some gloves. The problem is you gotta get dressed just fast enough so that you don't overheat before you go out, but you're gonna be warm enough when you do go out. So let's go brave the cold. All right, at this point, it's cold, but maybe it just hasn't hit me yet. Let's go check on the animals. Oh, it's cold. Hi, girl. For anybody worried about the cat, she has warm, cozy places, and she's just laying on the cement when I came in, aren't you, girl? Okay, it's 0 degrees in the barn. Oh, there she is. The chickadoos are huddled for warmth. The downside of this weather is the eggs freeze. Unless you get them right after the chicken lays them, which is not likely to happen over here anyways. If something froze, that means I need to carry water from the inside of the house out here for the chickens because their water froze, which I don't understand because they have a heated water bucket and the sheep do too, and the sheep one is thawed and fine, the water's fine, but the chicken water froze solid, so frozen water is always a dilemma, or having to carry water. Water's heavy. Hi guys. Oh, it's quite warm in here. You guys must be producing quite a bit of heat. Oh, you can say hi to Patches. You can say hi. Say hi, Patches. Did you ram your horns? Did you scuff your horns up the other day, buddy? Trying to get through the fence? I see that you did damage them. You did, didn't you? A little bit. Hi, girl. Hi, guys. Oh, they're both interesting catches. What's up? Hi. What do you find so interesting about Patches? That's what's so curious. Hi, honey. Are you trying to kick Patches? I don't think that's a good idea. Not surprising, but I'm grateful all the animals are doing very well. They don't seem fazed at all by the cold weather. It's just another thing, just another season to pass on. Me, on the other hand, I had to moisturize my face, make sure I had lip balm on so that this freezing cold, dry weather, the freezing cold weather doesn't chap my face and lips because it has a tendency to do that. And so now I need to give the chickens some thawed water. I have to go up to the house and get water. Following the rules. Thanks for joining me, everyone. We hope that you are doing well. Stay warm, stay safe, and happy holidays. Take care. See you soon.